Hi everyone, my name is Sarah. I'm currently uh, not working. I'm staying home with my daughter right now, but I was previously a program coordinator for a program here at the Philadelphia County Women's Jail, which provided case management, prenatal, parenting, and health and fitness classes for the women at the jail. We mostly put our focus on the pregnant women and the women who have children who are ages 0 to 3. Um, I've really enjoyed the being able to apply the things that I've learned so far in the different courses to not only my personal or professional life, but my personal life as well. I really enjoy getting to read what other classmates say and their views on things, and being able to learn from so many different people. And as far as this class, I'm really looking forward to how just learning more about how public policies and legislations are put into place and how that affects just my day-to-day job and the people that I work with on more of a direct level. I look forward to hearing from more of you and getting to know you all a little better. Thanks.